treatment of wastewater involves three processes: physical, chemical, and biological. The first step of treatment of wastewater is the physical process. Water is passed through the bar screens. This removes large objects like rags, cans, strikes, plastic packets, and napkins. Then the water is passed on to grit and sand removal tanks. Here the sand, grit, and pebbles settle down. The water is then allowed to settle in a large tank that is sloping towards the middle. Solids like feces settle at the bottom and are removed with a scraper. This is called sludge. A skimmer removes the floatable solids like oil and grease. The water that comes out after this stage is called clarified water. The second step is the biological process, in which the slug is then passed on to a separate tank. Here it is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. During this process, biogas is produced, which can be used as a fuel or in generating electricity. Air is pumped through the clarified water to activate growth of aerobic bacteria that feed on human waste, food waste, soaps, and other unwanted matter, if at all any of these is present in the clarified water. After many hours, the microbes settle at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge, and the water is removed from the top. The activated sludge contains 97% water that is removed by sand drying machines or beds. The dried sludge is used as manure. In the last step, that is the chemical process, the water is further disinfected with chemicals like chlorine and ozone before it is sent to the distribution system. After all these processes, the water is released into the sea or river or into the ground.